It's the next morning, about 7:30. We're pulling into Halifax very, very slowly. The boat is farting. Today we ordered room service, having breakfast in our room using our luggage bag as a table. Brewery right next to the dock, so Spooky's happy. There's the hoppers. That's our boat. We're in Halifax. We're looking for Tim Hortons. There's supposed to be one about 0.2 miles away from the port. So we'll check it out and see what Tim Hortons is like. I'm curious why there's a dress with rocks all over it. It's kind of weird. Curious why there's a big hole there. Was it a sinkhole? The other house next to it is abandoned looking. Interesting. This building's got some cool color. I like it. We got Zen Q here, and across the street, we got Cha Time, a bubble tea. That's cool. They don't look open though. While everyone else goes to the Titanic exhibit, we're going to Tim Hortons! Tim Hortons. I think we have Tim Hortons in the United States, but I've never seen one. Hazelnut, and we got the tin things, kind of like a donut hole. Sometimes they have cups that you can unroll and you win stuff underneath, but maybe it's not that time of the year right now. But there it is, Tim Hortons. Some of them you can tell which is which, but some you can't. And we got these. Very good. My last one, my last bibs.
Canadian Tire.
It's good. Here's our boat at the grocery store. We're gonna go inside a grocery store and see what kind of beer and find some ketchup chips and maybe some real Kinder eggs. Here's an interesting mailbox or Canada Post box. There's a lot of Asian stuff in this area. I wonder why. Ooh, yummy, samyang. Tulux fire! I wonder if this is an international grocery store. Check out these chocolate bars and Kit Kats. This one's interesting. What's that? This is milk. In Canada, it comes in a bag. That's pretty funny. You got regular cartons too. We've got some not milk. If it's not milk, then what is it? Got some weird chocolate I never heard of. And we got Kinder Eggs. Real ones. These ones are Disney themed though, so I would rather have not Disney themed. Hopefully they still make them. We're now done our Canadian grocery shopping. There's where we went. No beer though. We gotta find somewhere else. We don't know if they just don't sell beer in grocery stores, or maybe this one just doesn't. So that was fun. There was a really nice guy there in the chip aisle.